Here are 8 English idioms to describe someone's character and personality. A pain in the neck. A pain in the neck is an irritating and annoying person. For example, a lazy employee is a pain in the neck for the boss. A noisy student is a pain in the neck for a teacher. Laid back. Laid back is a relaxed person who doesn't get stressed or upset easily. For example, he's so laid back and yet so very focused. She's very laid back about her exams. The life and soul of the party. The life and soul of the party is someone who is energetic and good fun during social occasions. For example, she was having a very enjoyable time and was clearly the life and soul of the party. Johnny was talking to everyone and telling funny jokes. He was the life and soul of the party. A big mouth. A big mouth is someone who is not able to keep a secret. For example, we would have gotten away with the plan if she hadn't been such a big mouth. I can't stand Terry's new friend, he is such a big mouth. A cheapskate. A cheapskate is a mean person who doesn't like spending money. For example, we really need a new heater, but the landlord is such a cheapskate we'll never get it. He was once included in a list of cheapskate billionaires. Have a screw loose. Have a screw loose is someone who is slightly mad or eccentric. For example, she eats nothing but nuts, she must have a screw loose. John must have a screw loose to quit such a good job. A wimp. A wimp is a weak person, someone who lacks confidence. For example, I'm afraid I'm a bit of a wimp when it comes to climbing up ladders. The wrestling match between the champion and the tiny wimp seemed like an unequal contest. A people person. A people person is an outgoing person who gets along with people really well and is a good listener. For example, Irene is a tender-hearted people person and loves to socialize with her family and friends. I am a people person and I would like to work with the public. Keep watching Miss English.